Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got this beautiful new trade I want to show you guys through. It's a 2020 model year Malibu 21 VLX, and this is their surf boat in the Wakesetter line. It's their entry level as far as size is concerned, but still has tons of seating. You can see we've got the surf gate and the power wedge out there, even your exhaust pipe. Put it down into the slipstream, and comes with this beautiful trailer that is a Malibu trailer, set up for salt water just like the rest of the boat with sealed LED lighting throughout. Let's hop on up top, see what the rest of this looks like. You notice as we come on board here, first thing, easy access for your flush out port after you're done riding in the salt. Lots of traction pads on the rear, so while you're sitting back there helping riders surf, you're not going to slip off the boat. Big sun pad, pop-up pole for skiing. And then of course we've got our mounts up high on the top of the arch as well. Swivel out board racks, tower speakers on both sides in here. Lots of seating and storage throughout. You can see you've got designated storage for your flip-flops and everything with the drain as you come on board. Lots of storage under each side. Coming up to the helm, we've got Malibu's command center. That's going to give you all the features you need to shape the wake just how you like it. Finally, moving up on the bow, got a nice big sun pad area. Plenty of room for a few people to sit there and lounge out. If you guys have any other questions about this boat or any other boats that you can see around here, give me a call or shoot me a text. My cell phone is 303-875-3988. Thanks.